I'm gonna pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha.
When Neil pulls the fire alarm.
My ears. Same, I don't know what's happening right now.
When they outside. Calm down everyone. I never been out here when the fire alarm goes off. And that's the fire alarm guy coming.
Calm down everyone. Somebody pulled the fire alarm. I have checked the fire alarm control panel to reset the fire alarm. It was the school corridor pull station. I fucking know who the fuck set the alarm off. It was Neil.
When Neil have gone to headmaster's office to call Neil's parents.
Hello, Mr. Sherlock, I have pulled the fire alarm.
I have knew it. I will call your parents now.
When Neil goes home. Oh. My. Fucking. God. How fucking dare you pulled fire alarm at school? That's it, you're grounded for 2 weeks. Go to your fucking room now.
Wow.